What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this video and this update on Hook. The Hook token or Hook protocol, but you know, we're analyzing the Hook token. That's the main token of the Hook protocol. Which today, I mean, it's quite trending. We're relatively bullish. We're up 6.5%, which isn't a lot, but it's bullish. But especially the volume is nice. It's at around 32 million right now, which is almost 50% of the market cap, which in these market circumstances we're in right now is a pretty big deal. So I just wanted to cover it. Something else which is interesting is that Hook protocol was of course one of the big Binance Launchpad projects. The same for Hashflow, and what you can see is that they are pretty correlated. So that's funny, I guess. It's good to know. Maybe there are some opportunities in that. But yeah, Hook relatively bullish today. We're struggling with a big resistance level, so I just wanted to cover if we can break that and if we can continue this bullish momentum. As far as the fundamentals go, Hook protocol is doing pretty good. If you take a look at, for example, the unique active wallets, you can see that Hook protocol is doing a good job on the BNB chain at least, which, I mean, it's not the biggest chain for these type of things, but still. So they're doing a good job, and most of you know I like the project. But apart from that, let's actually take a look at the technicals, because that's obviously the reason why you're here. What you can see right now, purely technically, is that we're really struggling with 1.5. It's a big psychological resistance level, and now it's also paired up with that 618 fib. Just in general, tough to break through. The positive thing is that earlier today, we actually did manage to get a bullish breakout through, I would argue, 1.45, 1.47. Got a bullish breakout, found support there twice already, even though the second support is clearly giving us less support than the other one. And right now the main thing is we're trying to break above 1.5. If we're able to find support, enough support at 1.45 to break above 1.5, I think we can continue our trend all the way up to 1.6 and 1.63, which I know it's not the biggest move in the world, but it's still nice. It's another like 10% after the breakout. But the thing is just in general, the market circumstances right now are not amazing, all right? And there are no specific fundamentals that are very bullish for Hook. So sure, we could do something like this, but we're not doing anything crazy, all right? The market has just been in a standstill, really. Ethereum and Bitcoin, that's usually what I mean with the market. So I'm not expecting big trends or big bull runs. I think something like this is possible to happen, but as I said, we need to break through a very strong resistance level. And whether that's the most likely scenario or not, I'll leave that up to you for a little bit, but I have to be honest with you. That's the only thing, that's something you can always know from me. I'll be honest with you. I cannot talk, but that doesn't matter. I don't think we're going to be able to break through 1.5. I think the resistance is stronger than the support we have, and then the fundamentals also, for me, they don't really give me any reason for why we should do something like that. Sure, we can do it. I would say this has like a 40% chance, but I think it's a little bit bigger of a chance that we'll find resistance at 1.5, drop down to 1.4, take that break retest off of 1.45 again, which is now our support, and continue our drop down to 1.35, which has served as a support. And I do think this will hold. Eventually, if the market really does not get into some sort of a trend, I do think we'll drop down to 1.3 and 1.25, but that's for a future update. I'll definitely cover it again before that happens, or at least I hope so. But initially, I think this is a little bit more of a more likely scenario. But as I said, I'll be back soon with another update. For now, that's my take on Hook. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.